Hi there, my name is Alex Carter. Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars just by using simple crypto airdrops. And I'll share 2 active airdrops that are available right now. All the links are pinned below this video, including the link to my Telegram channel, where I post daily updates about new and verified airdrops. Let's get started. The first one is an airdrop from BitGet Exchange. It's very easy. All you need to do is click the link. No registration is required. Just connect your crypto wallet. You can use any popular wallet: Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Phantom, and others. Important: make sure you have a small amount of Solana in your wallet, because you'll need it to cover the network fee. The airdrop itself doesn't pay for the fee. There's also a way to participate multiple times. I personally tested it, even using the same wallet, just by changing VPN. And it worked perfectly. It's simple, fast, and very straightforward. If you want a full tutorial, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a separate detailed video. Now, moving on to the second option. This is Solana Spin, a Telegram bot. This one is slightly more complex. You just open the bot, select the spin option, and a lucky wheel will appear. You spin the wheel, and you can win between 1 and 5 Solana tokens. Today, that's worth between $140 and over $700. One time, I got the maximum prize, 5 Solana, in a single spin. I also tried it across multiple devices and ended up earning more than $4,000 just from this airdrop. The final steps are the same. Link your wallet, I personally used Coinbase, and claim your reward. That's it. If you're interested in more opportunities like this, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. I post fresh and working airdrops every single day. Good luck everyone, and see you in the next videos.